Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming signal flow and levels so adjustments mean something. Plug the source into the Behringer EQ input and the EQ output into your mixer or amp. Balanced cables reduce noise. Set every band slider to flat and trim to unity so you have a neutral baseline. This prevents chasing artifacts later. Once done, play the reference track at typical volume and watch meters. Keep peaks below +6 dB. These steps ensure your changes reflect tonal decisions, not level shifts. You now shape sound by finding and treating frequencies rather than guessing. With the EQ set flat, apply a narrow boost of about +6 dB and sweep through bands to expose harshness, boom, or feedback. When you hear the problem, switch that band to cut. For overall tonal balance, use broader Q settings. 1/2 to 1 octave cuts smooth issues without sounding unnatural. Make small gain changes and keep an eye on cumulative boost. If boosts stack above +3 or +4 dB, lower the master to maintain headroom. You finish by validating choices and securing stability. Toggle the EQ bypass to a /B your changes. If bypass sounds better, reverse unnecessary boosts. Reductions usually yield clearer results. Add a gentle high pass around 30 to 60 Hz to remove rumble and lock presence boosts sparingly for clarity. If you encounter distortion or new feedback, immediately reduce input/trim, inspect cable routing for ground loops, and apply narrower cuts on offending bands. That troubleshooting order gets you back to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.